हाय आई एम रश्मि एंड डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में देखा कि किस तरह हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 को इफ़ेक्टिवली और बहुत इजी वे से अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हैं, उसकी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, उसको लर्न कर सकते हैं। मोस्टली क्या है कि स्टूडेंट्स जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है वो बोर्ड पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, जिसमें आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक से 3 पैराग्राफ्स आते हैं और आपको उनमें से कोई से 2 पैराग्राफ जो है उनकी या इंग्लिश टू उर्दू ट्रांसलेशन करनी होती है या उनको रीराइट करना होता है इन सिंपल इंग्लिश। और हमने इस चीज़ को डिस्कस किया कि मोस्टली क्या होता है कि स्टूडेंट्स और टीचर्स भी प्रेफर करते हैं कि वो बच्चों को इनकरेज करते हैं या बच्चे इजी फील करते हैं किसी भी पैसेज की उर्दू ट्रांसलेशन करने में। और एक ये भी मिसकंसेप्शन है कि अगर हम सिंपल इंग्लिश वाला ऑप्शन क्लिक करेंगे तो शायद उसके मार्क्स अच्छे नहीं आएंगे, लेकिन मेरा कंसर्न ये है और मेरा मानना ये है कि अगर आप इस क्वेश्चन को ठीक तरीके से इफ़ेक्टिव वे में और प्रॉपर तरीके से अटैम्प्ट करते हैं तो आपके इसमें भी अच्छे मार्क्स आ सकते हैं। और आज हम डिफरेंट टिप्स की बात करेंगे कि किस तरह हम इस जो क्वेश्चन है उसको इफेक्टिवली अटैम्प्ट कर सकते हैं। उसके लिए सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बात तो ये, and students, for your guidance today I have selected chapter number 4, that is Hazrat Asma. First of all, I am going to start with paragraph number 1. I will have the important, these are the difficult words, and now we will find out the meaning of these words in simple wording. We will find out the meanings of these words in simple language. For example, companion means friend, migrated means moved, chiefs, leader, various, different, determined, made, firm decision, offered, provided, huge means attractive or great, bounties, generous gifts, capture, arrest, migration means resettlement. Now what we will do, we will simplify the given passage, or for that what we have to do, we have to use easy words instead of the difficult words. There is no need to change the tense, there is no need to change the structure, just we have to replace difficult words with the easy ones. Now I am going to simplify this passage for you. The Rasul and his close companion, I have replaced the word companion with close friend. The Rasul and his close friend Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq moved from Makkah to Medina. Migrated means moved. Paragraph number 2. The preparation for this journey was made at the house of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq. Hazrat Asma rendered useful services in this regard. She made necessary arrangements and prepared food for this journey and tied on the camel's back with her own belt when nothing else could be found. For this service she was given the title of Zatul Natiqeen by the Prophet. So again what I have done, I have searched out the easy meaning of the given words, of difficult words in the paragraphs. First of all, I have highlighted, I have listed out those words and I have tried to find out the meanings of those words. So preparation means arrangements, rendered, provided useful, helpful services, assistance. In this regard, in this respect, necessary means required, prepared food, cooked food, tied mean fasted, fasten. अब हम उन वर्ड्स को जो डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स थे उनकी जगह जो हमने मीनिंग सर्च आउट किए, हमने फाइंड आउट किए, हम उन वर्ड्स को रिप्लेस करने जा रहे हैं. सो आई एम गोइंग टू read out the paragraph which I have simplified for you. The arrangements for this journey was made at Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq's house. Hazrat Asma provided useful assistance in this respect. She cooked food for the journey. She fastened the food on the camel's back with her own belt, as she found nothing else. For this assistance, she was given the title of Zatun Natiqin by the Rasul. Paragraph number 3. During the perilous journey, it was very difficult for anyone to supply food to Hazrat Muhammad. The situation was so delicate that the slightest mistake could have endangered the life of the Rasul. This grand task was nicely undertaken by Hazrat Asma, the daughter of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq. Every night, with a pack of food, she would quietly venture towards the rugged mountains in which lay the cave of Thar. She took care of the minute details in accomplishing the task. How difficult it must have been for her to traverse the rocky paths at night with the constant fear of being detected. Here you can see some underlined words. Now we will find out the meanings of those words. Perilous means dangerous, difficult means hard, supply means provide, situation means condition, delicate, sensitive or critical, slightest, smallest, mistake, error, endangered means to put them at risk. Grand task means great job, nicely undertaken, done in a good way. Quietly, silently, venture to move, rugged, uneven. रग कहते हैं जो ना हमवार हो, इक्वल ना हो, बैलेंस ना हो. Minute, very small, details, information or features. Accomplishing, doing. Traverse, to cross. Constant means regular or continuous. Detected means chased. During this dangerous journey, it was very hard for anyone to provide food to Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. The condition was so critical. Here we can use the word sensitive as well, that the smallest error could put the life of the Rasul in danger. This great job was done by Hazrat Asma, the daughter of Hazrat Abu Bakr, in a good way. Every night, with a package of food, she would silently travel toward the uneven mountains in which lay the cave of Thar. She took care of the smallest features in doing the task. How hard it must have been for her to cross the rocky path at night with continuous fear of being chased. Paragraph number 5. Her grandfather Hazrat Abu Quhafa was a disbeliever at that time. He was very old and had become blind. He said to her, Asma, I think Abu Bakr has taken all the wealth, leaving you and children empty handed and helpless. At this, she instantly ran to a corner of the home. She gathered some pebbles and put them at the place where her father used to keep his money and jewels. She covered it with a piece of cloth. Come, grandfather, look. He left all this for us. He touched the cloth and thought it was full of gold and jewels. His concern was alleviated and he felt relieved. So, again, we will list out the difficult words. So, in this paragraph, I have underlined, I have searched out the following words: disbeliever, which means non believer; empty handed means penniless, helpless, powerless, or dependent; instantly, immediately; concern, anxiety, or worry; alleviate, reduce, relieved, comforted. Now I am going to simplify, I am going to convert that passage into simple English. So listen to it very carefully. Her grandfather Hazrat Abu Quhafa was a non-believer at that time. He was very old and had become blind. He said to her, Asma, I think Abu Bakr has taken all wealth, leaving you and children penniless and powerless. At this, she immediately ran to a corner of the home. She gathered some small stones and put them at the place where her father used to keep his money and jewels. She wrapped it with a piece of cloth. Come, grandfather, look. He has left all this for us. He touched the cloth and thought it was full of gold and jewels. His anxiety was reduced and he felt comforted to know that Abu Bakr had left all his wealth at home. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.